What's on the workbench tonight? Traxxas Emaxx Brushless Edition. Getting rid of all this crap and teggy, entity, whatever it's called, aluminum A-arms, uprights. This truck came with all that stuff. It bends, it strips out, screws break off in it. Just no place on these RC trucks. Jenny's RC got some new takeoff Traxxas arms, Traxxas uprights with all the seals and bearings. I think the only thing I'm gonna need is on these drive shafts. They have these boots to kind of keep the stuff out of the CVDs, and they're cracked. So I figure while I got it apart, might as well clean those up and get some new boots on there. Maybe even throw a little grease in them. Truck came with these hot racing shocks. They kind of seem like they're a hot mess. They seem to be leaking every time I use them. So I might take those apart, make sure they're sealed up. Got the front to do as well. Start with the back, moving on up. But yeah, this thing we call the Emaxx because it's all blinged out with aluminum. Pretty soon it's gonna be the plastic Max, I guess. But that's what's on the workbench tonight. We'll keep you posted as I progress. Have a good one.